Going on a little adventure today. Got to go down to the cabin. I'm gonna meet my brother there. We got to clean up some trees the power company cut down because, you know, during that hurricane they thought the trees might go on the power lines. You know, so anyway they cut them down, which was you know, that's a great thing they do. But you know, we got to clean it up. So we're gonna do that. Then we're gonna drink some beer, cook some food, and go on a little canoe adventure. One down, 3 or 4 more to go. I wish my brother would get here. Man, this ain't easy, man. I'm gonna be 56 this year. This is a young man in the game right here. Or an old man with a chainsaw, which I don't have. You know what time it is now? Whew. It's important to stay hydrated when you're working hard. Yeah, I think I deserve it. Whew, cheers. That might be enough. It might be enough for a guy to tackle by himself. Because I got 3 of them. I can't do that. I gotta wait for my brother. Whew. No brother yet. So that's all I got left now. It's already broken right there. So I'm gonna cut it there and there. Alright, my brother just showed up and he's got a reel saw. That's a cool sheath he made for it. Yeah, that'll work.
You want to do it too, man?
You imagine doing it all day? No. Out in the woods? No. Can you imagine doing it for 3 hours? just try. Well, we got those trees cleaned up. That was hard work. Anyway, it took a lot longer than we thought it was gonna. Anyway, we're heading out to Happy Island. I guess we're not gonna spend the night out there, but we are gonna go check it out, get it cleaned up a little bit for a future adventure. There's my brother. He decided not to bring his canoe. He brought that old fiberglass boat he got for free. It's important to stay hydrated. Good exercise. Not like I need any exercise after all that this morning. Holy cow. I'll be hurting in the morning. Well, that's it. That's what we call Happy Island. And we call it Happy Island because you can get happy there. I'm gonna get happy with some hot dogs over there when we get there. There's my brother. But it won't take him too long to catch up with me because that boat's pretty fast. It's like 225 degrees out here, so I'm gonna go for the shady side of the island, and hopefully Ty will, hopefully he'll see me. Oh, that looks like a good spot. Right there. Yes, sir, or ma'am, or whoever. I'm a little delirious. Well, I'm here. Ty's still out there. He might be trying to fish. I don't know. Anyway, I'm starving, and I gotta cook some hot dogs like right now. And all I'm going to do is put them in a flour tortilla and put a little Texas Pete on it. And I'm going to munch down, man, because I am freaking starving.
Starving sucks.
It's a loud bird. You know you want a hot dog quesadilla thing, don't you, with some Texas Pete?
Yeah.
I never even heard of putting hot dogs in these tortilla shells until I went camping with Sam and Julian a couple years ago. He's attempting to stalk the mighty garfish. that alligator gar with very sharp teeth. The plan is to chop its head off while it's swimming with his Condor Hudson Bay knife. The one I got him, it's in Sevierville at Smoky Mountain Knife Works. This is the second best hot dog I ever ate in my life. Alright, well, we had our hot dogs, messed around, had a couple beers, now we're heading back to the cabin. Whew. What a day. It was 6:20 when we left Happy Island, and it's 7:36 now. It's an hour, and I rode the whole way. I wasn't slowing down because the sun's going down, and the game warden around here will give you a ticket quick, man, if you don't have lights on. And my brother, he's still out there. It looks a lot lighter on this camera than what it really is. I'm just telling you that right now. It's dark. It's dark. Huh? Don't look dark though in here, but it is. You see some lights on back there. Anyway. See lights? There you see lights. Anyway, I'll show you some lights back there. See? That's more like what it really looks like. Anyway, I don't know where he is. I guess that might be him way out there. Anyway, he needs to hurry on up though. Anyway, sorry I did a video about nothing really. Oh well, that happens. See ya.